going on YouTube? It's Larry Bally, and I'm back again with another video on how to test your rear suspension system to see if you have blown shock absorbers. Alright, quick simple test. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open the door and you're going to want to shake it up and down. Hear that? Hear the squeaky noise? Sounds like a rocking bed. It's actually the shock absorbers on this thing, and there's actually mounts that they go onto the top of, and they're called shock absorber mounts or bushings. Those are often bad as well. Let's go to the other side and check it out. Alright, listen for the noise. Here it is coming from right there. It's a simple and easy test. So that creaking noise you just heard can be mostly heard when you're going over a speed bump or going on a dip. And when you hear that, 9 out of 10 times it's going to be your rear shock absorbers or your front, and those are called struts. So these are shock absorbers. These are the mounts right here, also known as the bushings. Make sure to change both of these, because if you just change the shock absorbers, this set comes with mounts, but I still got more mounts because these are better than these ones. So remember, when you hear that noise, do that simple test I just showed you. Save yourself some money. I'm Larry Bally Mechanics. Thanks for watching. Peace.